vidIQ is the thing you're missing to blow up your channel. It focuses on the most important aspects of YouTube, which will make you grow exponentially faster. YouTubers Spiffing Brit use vidIQ to get millions of views, but most YouTubers use it wrong and their videos flop. I will show you 4 effective ways top YouTubers use vidIQ to create viral videos every time. The most important thing about YouTube videos aren't thumbnails and titles, it's ideas. It's because ideas dictate if the video is gonna be interesting or not. Would you rather watch a video I learned how to play piano or I played piano underwater? Thumbnails and titles are also important, but it'll be a lot easier to make a captivating title and thumbnail with a good idea than with a bad one. And also,
it's much easier to get 5 million views on one video than 50,000 views on 100 videos.
The best YouTubers know that ideas are extremely important, so they normally spend 2 hours a day coming up with the best ideas. Then they have a database of video ideas which allows them to compare and see the best ones, instead of randomly picking ideas and hoping they're interesting. Now let me show you how successful YouTubers get ideas with vidIQ. They use vidIQ's AI coach in a way that it generates ideas that can be transformed into viral videos. And you might think the AI coach is some basic AI model like ChatGPT, but there's one thing that makes vidIQ's AI coach much better. Unlike ChatGPT, the AI coach actually knows your channel, and that way it can personalize the answers. First, you can ask it to give you 10 video ideas based on your channel, and it'll generate some random ideas. The goal here isn't to pick all of them. You're going to pick the most interesting one or more, and then tell the AI coach that you want 10 more ideas based on the selected idea. This way, you're making the answers more specific and actually better. And if you repeat it a few times, you will get ideas that will serve as inspiration. Then, just play around with it and edit the title. Now this is one way of doing it, but you can always change the prompt. If you take a look at some popular videos of your competitors, you can ask the AI coach to give you ideas based on these. This way you already have some certainty that the ideas are gonna get views, because it's about a topic that was successful already. For ideas, vidIQ also has other features like the Ideas tab. Here, vidIQ will give you ideas based on your channel and what's currently working on YouTube. And if you scroll down, you can see customized ideas. You can put any topic and vidIQ will generate ideas for it. And last, in the Create tab, there's always a topic of the day for inspiration. But there are also currently trending topics and comments and popular videos from your niche. Second way is doing one of the most powerful strategies on YouTube, and that is studying outliers. If you don't know, outliers are a type of video that got drastically more views than other videos on a channel. Studying this type of videos is so powerful because obviously there's something that made the video get so many views. This confirms that the video idea, packaging, and intros was really good, because those are the things that impact the video performance the most. So this basically shows you what works on YouTube and we can use it. This way, you don't have to spend hours experimenting and inventing something that works. In the library of outliers, you can search any topic and you'll see outliers for that topic. Then just explore outliers that you can use. But this is where most YouTubers make a big mistake. They take a video idea, replicate it, and get 0 views. This is because most of the time, they make something their audience saw 100 times already. Instead, you need to take the content of the video and frame it slightly differently so you stand out from your competitors and actually bring value to the viewers. And if you do this, when someone sees your video, they'll think that you have new information and they'll watch. But if you search ideas in different niches, you can replicate it and still be successful. For example, everybody's making a video about a free course. There's a video like this in almost every niche, and it gets a lot of views every single time. This is because it's not replicating the content of the video, but the format. So obviously it's still new information, therefore value to the viewer. By the way, with this code you can get a 50% discount for 2 months on vidIQ's Boost plan. Link to vidIQ is in the description. I already mentioned the third way to use vidIQ, but most people don't use it right. Let me show you how to leverage it completely. I'm talking about vidIQ's AI code. Most people just ask what makes a thumbnail go viral or how to get 1,000 subscribers fast, but we're gonna go way deeper. I bet you noticed that studying videos like outliers is essential for success. The hardest problem small creators have is they don't know how to study them, because since they usually don't quite understand what is making videos go viral, they can't really study them. Let's say you're in the finance niche and you want to know what made this video by Alex Hormozi get 1 million views. You might say it's because he has 3 million subscribers, but YouTube's algorithm actually doesn't push out new videos to all of your subscribers if it's a bad one. For example, this channel has 1.7 million subscribers and his recent videos sometimes get only 3,000 views. So what what made this video go viral? You already know that the most important parts of a YouTube video is the idea, packaging, and intro. So all of these had to be really good. If you download vidIQ's Chrome extension and open this video, you can already see suggestions for what to ask the AI coach. It can analyze the hook for us. And by the way, if it doesn't work, just copy the transcript of the video and paste it in a normal vidIQ chat. As you can see, it gave me a few points on why this video got so many views. Also, you'll get better results with being more specific, so don't ask what made this video go viral in general, but split it into individual parts. And don't take everything seriously, because it doesn't have to be true every time. This other way to use the AI coach is really eye-opening. Let's say you're coming up with titles for your next video, and you have a list of few potential ones. Since you came up with them alone, you're basically limited, because obviously you won't be able to come up with every variant of that title. But if you take the titles and ask the AI coach to rewrite them differently, you can use it as another source of inspiration. And this is what makes using the AI coach so powerful. It'll give you a lot of inspiration for formulating the title. Then I recommend looking at some YouTube titles that got a lot of views and kind of replicate the style. So for example, the title, "The one app you need to elevate your YouTube game," would completely flop simply because it's not specific and intriguing enough. But the title, "This one app will change your YouTube game forever," is much more exciting. And of course, you can ask the AI coach to give you inspiration on your hook and intro as well. This last way of using the AI coach can save you time doing this one annoying thing. As you know, AI isn't good at doing work like making thumbnails and titles and scripting, but writing description is so monotonous that AI can handle it. Since the AI coach knows your channel, it'll generate a description based on it. The first description might sound unnatural, so just tell the AI what you don't like about it, or give it a sample description so it can copy the style you want. There's a thing that most small creators neglect but can make a lot of difference. Since YouTube is really a search engine with videos, it's important to let YouTube know your target audience. A lot of people have gone viral with no search engine optimization, but I think it's really important for small creators, because the way YouTube gathers information about your target audience is mainly through your content. It takes specific words from your titles and your script. But the problem is when you don't have enough videos. If you're just starting out and you only have 3 videos, for example, YouTube might not know who to promote your video to. So the last way of using vidIQ is to generate keywords. In the keywords tab, you can see top keywords, keywords for your channel, and rising keywords. Just type the topic of your video and vidIQ will give you keywords with an overall score. The overall score is the ratio between search volume and competition. So how many views are there on that keyword? It's not super important, so don't worry about only picking keywords that have it high. Just pick the most relevant ones. Learning how to make viral videos on YouTube is important, but if you're wasting hours with distractions, growing your channel is gonna be almost impossible. Watch this video to know how to stop scrolling forever.